welcome to Florence. Welcome to Florence in Italy. So I'm going to start today off by, this is the first full day in Florence. So I spent the night going out for dinner last night and just had some wine. Our hostel is really cool. We're staying in an old nuns convent and there's actual nuns staying in the other half of the building, which is amazing. I'll give you a little tour. I'm off to Pisa today on my own because Grace isn't too fussed about it. So I'm going to spend probably half a day. I'm just about to get the train, so I'm going to head over to the train station and check out the famous site of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Just hoping I don't get hit by a tram. It's a very beautiful city here and it feels a lot less touristy than Rome. So yeah, let's just check out Pisa, guys. So I've arrived in Pisa now, guys, and the thing with travel is that it can be very unpredictable. I turned up here in shorts and sandals and it is raining so much, so I've jumped into H&M, got myself a jumper, and just for a bit of comfort I have done my favourite travel thing, which is to put socks with sandals. So although it's raining, I'm not going to let that ruin my day. I'm still really excited to walk around Pisa. I've just kind of walked through the main street where there's loads of shops and it's very beautiful. So I'm going to head towards the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The rain looks like it's starting to slow down, but it's still very cloudy here. So yeah, let's go explore a bit of Pisa and try not to get too wet. Don't know if you can hear that's the rain. I'm just so much more comfy now I've got a jumper on. I literally was so cold on the train and slightly hungover as well, so yeah, no sympathy for me. But let's go explore. And there we have it, guys. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Let me see if I can adjust my hand. So yeah, this is what I have came to see. It's actually so weird because I've seen this in so many pictures since I was a kid, and now actually being in front of it, it's crazy. I just didn't even use Google Maps to get here from the train station. I've just kind of wandered through the streets. Everywhere it's just so beautiful here. It's a lot less quieter than all the other places I've been to, but I reckon that is because of COVID. Obviously it's a really good time to visit at the moment, just because there's not that many tourists here, as you can see. I assume on like a really busy day, maybe in the summer or something, there must be thousands of people kind of coming here every single day. So yeah, that is the Tower of Pisa. So just to give you a bit more perspective on it, this is the Leaning Tower of Pisa from the other side, and then there is this beautiful cathedral there. It's just so strange that they built it and then it started to lean. Okay, so my hat has been my saviour because I actually left the hostel with wet hair this morning. I didn't want to get one of those cringy photos because of trying to push the Pisa over, but I was like, no, I saw everyone else doing it. I was like, I can't come all this way and not do that. So I just ended up asking some random girl. I'll get the Pisa in the background. So I ended up asking some random girl to take my picture, and then I was taking pictures of her as well. It's always a bit awkward when you're on your own. I do have my tripod, but it's raining, so I didn't really want to leave it out. It's not completely raining, it's spitting a little bit. So yeah, I insert cringy Pisa photo here. So I'm going to have a walk around here and just explore a little bit. I've only got about an hour and a half until I've got to get my train. Okay, so I've decided to go and visit some of these monuments, and they're all part of the World Heritage Site. So the ticket office is literally here, and so there's all the monuments, and then the ticket office is here, and they do different prices. Let me show you. So you basically can get one for £5. I don't know, I got two for €5, but this is basically it. And you just pick which one do you want to do. So I'm going to do the Cathedral and the Compasanto. And yeah, I just thought they looked really pretty, so I thought I'm going to take a look inside. So you do have to still wear masks in all of the cathedrals and the Coppa Santa and all the other, anything basically in Italy, you still have to wear them. They're very quiet still, like I assume when there's a lot more people here. So I was just walking around this one and it just got a bit eerie because it's so big in there and I was like the only one walking around at times and I was like, ah. But yeah, I've had a really nice half day in Pisa. Definitely recommend to come and check this place out. And yeah, I'm going to head back to Florence and go meet Grace. I'm going to take this off as well because I'm outside. But yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back in Florence now. I'm just walking to meet Grace and we're going to go to a nice viewpoint. It's the Piazza, probably saying that wrong, Michael D'Angelo. So yeah, apparently they've got good views over the whole of the city, so I'm excited about that. I was totally chilling in my room and Grace called me like, we're going here. I was like, I'm not missing out on this because I get really bad FOMO. This is literally so pretty. I will leave directions how to get up here because such a beautiful view. Like you can just see the whole city. I think it would be nice to come up here for sunset, but it's about, I think it's about 7 o'clock here. And yeah, probably if you came like 6:37, and it's quite cloudy today as well, so yeah, lush. I don't know if you can also see it in the video as well because it's so dark here. Well, like my camera's not that great in the dark. But I'm probably going to go eat my body weight in pasta now, so let's go see what happens. Good morning guys from Florence, or buongiorno shall I say. I thought I would just give you a quick tour of our hostel because it's just so cute and it's probably like one of the quirkiest hostels I've stayed in. We are checking out today, so the room is a bit messy. So yeah, let's go check it out. So this is the room itself. It's got 2 beds, so we're staying in a private hostel room. And then this is the best part about it. This is the view. And then there's a church just up there. So this is one of the courtyards. And a nice little bit of history for you guys. We were told that this is actually one of Da Vinci's gardens and there is a convent attached to it, which is the other side, which I'll show you in a second. So there's lots of nuns that live there. We've seen them kind of walking about. It's just so quaint and cute. I love it. And then this is the corridor outside my room. It's like all original kind of architecture that is in here. It's just so pretty. So this is the courtyard bit. I'm being really quiet because it's like dead silent here, and I do want to be respectful as well because there are nuns that live in this part of the convent, and I was also just being really quiet because there were loads of people in the hostel. I got a bit of flog fear, but yeah, this is so cute. So we are off to the Florence Accademia Gallery and we're going to go see the statue of David. And we've checked out of our hostel now, so I'm really going to miss it. It's, out of all the hostels I've stayed in the world, it's probably been one of my favourites. So yeah, I'll leave the link below so you can book it yourself if you ever find yourself in Florence. And then we've just got a few hours here before we head to our last stop on our Italian meatball tour, which is Venice. So yeah, we're going to go and see the Jersey Shore house too because we're trashy AF.
And if you watch Jersey Shore, like literally probably like 10 years ago, they did like a season in Florence, which is so random, but yeah, if you know, you know. So just saw the statue of David. It was actually stunning. I'm really getting into history when I go away. I do like going to museums and stuff. Not too many, but like the main ones. I feel like I actually do learn a lot about like, local culture. The statue in there was made by Michelangelo, and I was literally thinking, how the hell has he made that? Because it looks about 30 foot tall. So there's a lot of history of Michelangelo in Florence. That's where he lived. That's where he spent a lot of his time. There's also a lot of like museums and all his work all around the city, so highly recommend check that out if you want to. It was €8 to get in. I will say we looked online this morning and they were trying to charge like 27 to 45 euros. So if you come down here yourself, I'll leave instructions down below. It's literally €8 to get in. So okay, so we found the Jersey Shore house and they've actually converted it into a Chinese restaurant now. So Snooki, Dina, if you're watching this, it's now a Chinese restaurant, but I'm pretty sure this is the stairs where plenty of them fell down the stairs. I think it was Dina, or probably Snooki as well. This is the house. The big doors, it's so weird, I love it. And I love it, this is where they got freaking meatball wasted at the Jersey Shore when they came to Florence in Italy. Like,
You're going to the Jersey Shore.
Meatball problems. I just want the old Jersey Shore days back.
Go now. Oh my god!
Okay, so we're not done, but we were just like reliving the Jersey Shore moments, like when Mike jumped into the wall and had to go to hospital, when Snooki threw the bottle of wine at Mike. There was a lot of stuff that happened in this house, and I'm here for it. We're just trying to figure out, I feel a bit stalkerish actually, like just walking outside. If you're a Jersey Shore fan, I'll leave the address below.
So we are at this bridge, which apparently looks like Diagon Alley from Harry Potter inside, so we're going to go and take a look. We just got some really lush pictures from here. As you can see, this setting is just amazing, like so beautiful. You can just walk all the way down the river and just see so many cool views from here.
Our time is up in Florence now. I would definitely recommend to come here for more than 2 days. It's been a lot more chilled than Rome was. I've really liked it. I would definitely come back here. I'd probably say like 3 or 4 days is probably a good amount of time to come here. There's not as much to do as there is in Rome, but it's just got such a nice vibe. Me and Grace have really enjoyed our time here. We're eating really nice food. And yeah, off to the next destination, which is Venice on our final stop. So I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so I've now arrived in Pisa. Oh, it's very echoey here. So I have arrived in Pisa now. Oh my god, it's really echoey here. I was just walking around the Campo Sant'Anno. Oh my god, I can't say it. Eek! Meatball problems. That is literally the reason that me and Grace call each other meatballs, because of Jersey Shore. But yeah, this is the house. Gotta play cool for us.